YouTube, how the devil are you doing? Cool King checking in again. I hope that you're fine and dandy. So today is the 4th of July, and for our American friends that is quite a big day. It's obviously Independence Day, and as the EDC Cooperative is a worldwide sort of fun family community, we're going to do a USA themed pocket dump. So let's have a look. Right, so to provide a nice backdrop, we shall first off get a hank, which we have the Lion Tribe Armory American flag, obviously. Today's knife of choice is the good old American brand of Benchmade, the Bug Out, with a Funko Pop from Obscure Hideout as the lanyard, obviously Captain America. In my front right hand pocket we have this mini pen from Karas Customs, or Karas Penco should I say. Then in my front left pocket we've got the latest red Co-op Cadet. Obviously some very nice American flag paracord there, and this is a Gucci EDC lanyard bead. I think this one's called the High Top. Obviously we've got red, white-ish and blue. So today's wallet of choice is the recycled Firefighter, and I also have the Griffin pry bar, and I think, obviously Yellowstone National Park Field Notes book, an iconic place in the States. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that little pocket dump. More importantly, I hope you have a fantastic 4th of July. I know that quite a big celebration day, obviously in this COVID time it might not be exactly the same, but I hope that you still enjoy it anyway. If you've got any questions about any of the items, put them down below. Thanks for watching, take care, see you on the next one.